make sure you like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell on so you don't miss any of ZivaLetae'sWorld videos. Hi friends, welcome back to ZivaLetae'sWorld, and today I'll be opening up the MGA Miniverse Real Brands, and I'm so excited to open this. Let's get started, friends. And I even have the Barbie family with me. Say hi. Hi, hello, hey. And also, by the way, if you're wondering where are the babies, they're both sleeping. Ariel is sleeping and so is Eva. So they're actually not going to be in this video, but hopefully they're in the next one. And hopefully the next one will be when we move into our new house. And this is already a sneak peek of our house. Yes, that's right. So we're so excited to watch the Barbie family move into their new house. Well friends, what are we waiting for? Let's just open this up. Yay, I'm so excited. Yeah, I am too. Same, at least we can have some good food now and we can stock up our fridge. And what do you think of the magnets on our fridge? Do you like them? So here it is, and by the way, you do not eat this, so please don't eat this. And you actually get miniature food that looks just like the real one, and there's actually fake food inside. And there's 50 plus to collect. That's a lot of food, right? Well, let's just start opening. Let me just peel the tab from right here. I wonder what food we're gonna get. Okay, this is the second layer, and it has different food brands like Pop-Tarts, Cheez-It, and I really like the packaging on here. Okay friends, are you ready to open it in 3, 2, 1? So we do get one bag and another bag, so we get 2 bags and one warning and like other stuff with a sheet of paper. And we get 2 of them. And this is our collector's guide that we'll take a look at in a minute. So this is the Miniverse Real Brands. This is series 1 as well. There is a series 2 that just came out. Time to open the bags. And look at this cool detail. The bag even has a sun and it says have a sunny day. So we get 2 of them. Which one do you want to open up first, Kova? I want to open up this one, please. Okay. So Kova says we should open up this one. I wonder what we're going to get. Are you ready, friends? You can take a look in the bag first. I'll close my eyes. And the Barbie family, you should close your eyes too, okay? Okay. Okay, we're not looking. You tell us what's inside. No idea what this is. Wait, what is this? I don't know what this is. It feels really light as well. And then there's also this. There's like a box. And there might be some more stuff, but I'm going to open up my eyes. And so is the Barbie family. In 3, 2, 1. What do we get? Oh, this is cool. Oh my gosh. We got cookies and cream. A 2-pack. Ice cream. Good humour. And look at all the details at the back as well. Like, that is so good. And I do love cookies and cream, and this is perfect for the Barbie dolls. And oh my gosh, look at this little packet. It's so cute. I don't know if you can see. You probably can't see, but it is actually in there. So we get 2 of them. Pack of 2. Friends, do you think I should open it? I think I should. So let's open up one. The question is, which one should I open? I think one has a bite out of it and one doesn't, so I'm going to try to feel for the one that has a bite out of it. I'm just going to guess it's this one. It looks like this one. Okay, ready? Let's open it. I'll open it from here. I'll just open it really neatly so I can still put it back. Oh wow. Inside you can see the details of the cookies and cream. That's pretty good. That's perfect for like the summertime and when the Barbies or any of your dolls want to have like a sweet treat or something. I love that. So we can add that to the frozen section of our fridge and freezer. Okay, so I really love this. This is like one of my favourites. And I was really hoping for one of them. Got time to see what else we got in the bag. Oh, this is cool. We got some Eggo minis, waffles, cinnamon toast. And it's 2 mini waffles inside. So let me open it. Okay, there we go. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, let's open it. I can always like seal these back up with tape if I like. And I'm going to open it so you can actually see what's inside. So we do get like 2 pieces of them. I don't know if I meant to like cut them out into mini squares. I mean, I've never actually seen these in real life. But I guess like you could, if you want, like have like even miniature ones. So they give you two packs, like 2 parts, and they have 4, so you get 8 cinnamon waffles in total, which is so cool. And these are like a perfect size of the Barbies. Like I could put it in her hand and it like fits perfectly, basically. And I love how these are actually real brands. Like you could go into the supermarket or the shop and find these exact brands to eat for yourself. Okay, let me just pack this in there nicely. Okay, I'm going to put it back in the box. That is our second food that we got today. So that's good, because I did want some more breakfast items. And let's just take a look at the collector's guide. So what does it say? It says real brands, Miniverse, checkout, 100% wow, cute, and then it says series 1, and then we get jam, different jams and that, and spreads. Then we get like peanut butter, Jif, and then we get lots of different Eggos, and I've got all of the Eggos except the buttermilk waffles, so I need that one, and then I've collected all of them. And then there's some Pop-Tarts, there's some like coffee grains and that, there's like some pastry, desserts, there's also some Uncrustables, there's lots of Pringles, there's ice creams, there's like beef, there's Spam, there's like nuts at the top, there's cheese, and then like ice poles and ice lollies and so much more. Time to open up the last bag. What do you think is going to be inside, friends? Let's let it be a mystery. I'm going to try to guess what's inside. So we're going to close our eyes. Okay. Oh, I think this is definitely Pringles. It just feels like a tub of Pringles. I think this is the peanut bar. Wait, I think I have this exact one. Wait. Let me just open up our fridge. And inside of the fridge, by the way, is all my Miniverse Real Brands foods at the moment. Okay, wait, I got a different one. I got the red one, and we got the blue one. And see, I do have this one as well. And I have the Pop-Tarts and the Uncrustables. Okay, so we have like this little like peanut butter, and friends, don't eat this because it's not actually real peanut butter. It's probably just like some slime or something, or some texture like that. And then what's in here? Okay, we do have Pringles, and listen to this, friends. Yeah, you can actually hear them. This is the cheddar cheese Pringles, so that's pretty cool. And then what else do we have in here? We get a lot, actually. This is the calf bust Elo ground coffee. So this is what like the parents can have in that. We also get a little knife so we can like spread on that peanut butter. Oh, what is that? Oh, this is actually extra crunchy peanut butter. This one's the creamy peanut butter, and then this is the crunchy peanut butter. So that is the difference. And then we also get something else. We just get this little thing, and then basically all you have to do is just put it on top, just like that. And then you get like this little thingy. Yeah, it's just some random accessories. Oh wow, that's pretty good. We've got lots of good foods. Yeah, we do, and I can't wait to have ice creams. Yeah, but you know you can't have any before bed, right? Yeah, I know. Okay, good. Maybe we can have some tomorrow. Yay! Okay, I'm going to take a look at the peanut butter. So we get like this bag, and then we just open it up. And then you can actually see it inside. And it looks like the right colour as well. And it has like some chunks in it. And then let's just open up our tub. And the lid actually comes off. These are actually very functional for your dolls, which is good because like not only that you just have doll food, you can actually open it and pretend to give it to your dolls. Like that's pretty cool. Okay, and then we're just gonna stuff it up just like that. This is like the texture. There was like some hard bits, but I don't know if it's actually meant to be like that. I think it is. Let's see if we can actually fit all of it inside, because I feel like they do give us a lot if it's meant to be extra. Actually no, I got a lot of space. I think I can fit all of it. Friends, so I actually do have a lot left over. I don't think it's gonna fit in there, so I'll just like save it for now. Okay, so this is the best I can fill it up to. And then let's put on the lid. let's quickly do a spread test. So I'm quickly going to just take out one of these. And then I'm going to try and spread on some peanut butter. I'm going to try spread on some peanut butter onto our waffles. I'm just going to use my hands instead. But you know what, it kind of did work. Okay, let's open up this coffee grain stuff. How do I open this? Okay, there we go. Wait, there's actually like nothing in there. Wait, what? Oh wait, no, never mind. It does come with something. I just didn't see it in the bag. So this is what it looks like. It's very detailed actually. Like, look at all of that detail inside. And you can't eat this, and don't put it in like water, and please like don't drink it. It's a toy, so you know. So we need to fill it all up into here. Do a tiny cut, and let's just pour it in. Try not to make a mess. Okay, I filled it all up. I guess you don't even have to put anything in there, but I did. I just want to make sure that it doesn't spill in the dollhouse, because that will be very bad. Hopefully it doesn't spill. I'm trusting this lid. So there you go, you can actually see it inside. And let's take a look at the last real brand for today. Time to open up some Pringles. The whole family actually really likes these cheese Pringles. Mum, Dad and Clover, so they can all enjoy this. Especially when like they watch a movie night or something. And look, you actually get the proper lid, which looks just like the real thing. And then we can even like peel off the little like sticker part. Ready? Wait, let's just quickly look at the details. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, this is just too cute. I'm just gonna do it that much. Can I take out a Pringle? Oh my gosh. Wait, I got it. Look at that little Pringle. Like, it's so tiny. Like, let's put it in like their hand. Okay, wait, let's see if the mum can hold it. Mum can actually hold the Pringle, and it's actually a pretty decent size for the dolls. And I can just slide it in with all the rest of them. They give you the whole can basically, and there's a lot in here. But I'm not going to take it all out because it's going to be harder to put back in. But I really do like this. Well, before we end this video, we should probably stock up the whole fridge. So let me open it up. And then we add the Eggos with the rest of them. And then we'll put our ice cream right over here. And I'll move this up to the top. Actually, I think I can put it here. And then we'll add the other one over here. And I know this is a fridge, but sometimes I just pretend that the top one's like a little cupboard or a pantry. Food that doesn't need to be frozen. This is what the fridge looks like with all of the Real Brands food. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video of me unboxing the Miniverse Real Brands food. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye, friends.